We're hungry for Chinese, so I thought tonight I would make us some cashew chicken, serve it over rice, and then we have some egg rolls too. I made some egg rolls a little while ago. So this is really simple, y'all. And of course it costs a lot at the Chinese restaurant. This is about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast that I salt and peppered, cut up in chunks, and then I used 1/4 cup of cornstarch to coat them with it. I have 2 tablespoons of oil in here, and we're going to fry these up. It's going to take about good 5 to 7 minutes, depends on how big your chunks are. You could cut them smaller if you wanted to. This is kind of the size they are in the Chinese restaurant. We have a good Chinese restaurant here, but gosh, when the 3 of us go out to eat, it's kind of a big bill. So we're gonna fry these up until we get them done, and we'll be right back. Okay, chicken's about done. This is about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. We will post the recipe. And in here is 1/2 cup of chicken stock, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a tablespoon of brown sugar. Let's see if I'm forgetting anything. A tablespoon of hoisin salt. If you don't have it, you could skip it, if you didn't want to buy it just for this. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of sesame oil. And the sesame oil is really important. It's really good. A little more, since I didn't measure. And then this is going to go right over this. We're going to cook this a little while here, and it should make a nice little gravy. We'll be right back as soon as we get this going. Okay, now I'm going to add a cup of cashews. It was more, but Caden and I have been eating on them. And cook this a little more. Now this is something that's not in the recipe, but the Chinese food restaurant here has carrots in this. But the recipe I went by didn't. But this is some carrots, our homegrown carrots. And I had a few peas, so I'm adding those to this. You could add, you could add water chestnuts. Would probably be good in this. That's probably the main thing I can think of right now is water chestnuts. Of course, I like them. If you don't like them, you wouldn't want them. But see, we have a nice little sauce going here. So we can put this over rice. I've made some rice, and I made some egg rolls. And so we are going to cook this a little bit longer, and then I'll serve some up. Okay, looky here. Isn't this pretty? Got us a nice sauce. Got lots of cashews. I probably put more than, oh no, I put what they called for. But let's see here. Let's dish some up here. What do you think, Caden? We need to open a Chinese restaurant? I don't think so. Tastes like the Golden Pagoda.